Understanding the phrase, tag me in that, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, today, we're going to explore a popular phrase in English, tag me in that. This phrase is commonly used in social media and digital communication, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we dive into the details and uses of this modern expression. Tag me in that is a request or a wish to be included or mentioned in a social media post or a digital conversation. When someone says this, they are asking to be linked or identified in a photo, video, or discussion online. This phrase reflects the interconnected nature of social media and how we share experiences digitally. This phrase originated from the concept of tagging in social media platforms. Tagging involves adding a person's name or username to a post, which notifies them and potentially their network. It became a part of everyday language due to the widespread use of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, where tagging is a common feature. In social media context, photo sharing. I love this photo. Tag me in that, so my friends can see it too. Event discussions. That was an amazing concert. Tag me in any posts you have about it. In casual conversation. Inclusion in plans or news. If you guys are planning a reunion, tag me in that. I'd love to join. Sharing information or jokes. That's a hilarious meme. Tag me in that, so I can show it to others. The phrase, tag me in that, goes beyond just a social media function. It signifies a desire to be part of a shared experience or memory. In a world where digital presence is significant, being tagged symbolizes inclusion and recognition within one's social circle. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, tag me in that. It's a simple yet powerful expression of our desire to connect and share experiences in the digital age. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the connections and meanings we create with them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.